Hi everyone, this is Richa here. A warm welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Learners Are. So this is my first video guys that I'm shooting for you all to let you know all guys that what basically I'm going to upload in my videos in my YouTube channel. So this is an introductory video that I'm shooting for you guys, for my viewers, for my audiences and my friends, to let you know that what videos I will upload in my channel. So talking about my videos, that basically my videos will be an educational one. So this will be an interactive session regarding some of the topics, basically focusing on the biology topics guys. So one thing I like to mention it here, like that I belong to a science background, so and I'm completely a biology background one. So uh, I'll try to upload videos regarding biology basically, and also some related topics, co-related topics like related to chemistry. I'll try to figure it out, but related to science only guys. So basically it'll be a short video lecture type in which I'll post some of my notes also, so that it will be helpful for you guys. So these videos are basically helpful for everyone, more precisely saying for those people who are basically pursuing degrees or also studying in intermediates and belonging to biology background also. So these are basically for so these are basically helpful for also for the people who are appearing in some competitive examinations. So it will be helpful for you guys. So please do hear it completely and watch the videos perfectly. You can also prepare your own notes. It's a tip for you guys, for new learners, that creating notes is very important and important aspect in learning, because this is a learning video, right? So we need to learn different things. I'll also tell you about different kinds of tips that will help you out in learning much more faster. So basically, and my coming videos, I'll let you tell you about different topics related to some science fields. So that is a secondary thing that I'll show you in next video. So this is basically an introductory video for my viewers, so that it'll help you out to know what I'm going to upload it. So basically, now one more thing I would like to mention here, that I'll also try to post my notes that are made by me completely. So guys, this is not a copyright guys, it's my own efforts and my hard work that I'm showing to you. So please bear with me and please cooperate with me. It's a new journey for me and even for you all with me. So I'll help you out. And one more thing, that if you have any doubts, if you want to clarify any kinds of doubts, or if you have want to give any kinds of suggestions regarding my videos, or if you want any kind of upgradation in my videos, please do text me in the comment section. I'll help you out there, I'll reach you out there. And also I'll try to make lectures, I'll try to upload video lectures. If you need to clarify doubts with them, you can also take help of those lectures. And if you want that I post videos regarding your topics, then please do comment me on the comment section. I will I will definitely upload it as soon as possible. I will do it. So it'll take a bit time, but as soon as possible I'll do it by the next video, surely. So it's a long journey. So this is a short video, introductory video that I was posting. It's an educational video, guys. So it's nothing in harm to share, like. And one more thing, please do kind kindly like and subscribe my channel, guys. Don't forget to do this. It will be helpful for me, guys. So the more videos, the more you like, more you subscribe, so more I'll be motivated and I'll make much more upgraded videos. And please put reviews on my videos so that I can improvise myself, and as well as I can upgrade my videos. It will be helpful to you all only, guys, because as much my videos will be interactive, more you will be interested in studying and learning. So this will be a learning section, but in an interactive way. I try to make my notes, my explanations in much simpler manner, so that it will be easily understandable by you all, guys. And so finally, I'll not make it a large one. So it was a short introductory video. So let's wind it up here and meet me. Then let's meet us in the next video. Till then, bye bye.